Well, I had some extra lights, so what I'm doing is putting lights in my grow tent. And as you can tell, that's a shop light. And I took and cut it. That's where now I'm putting this foil on it and I'm taping it up. And I'm gonna have lights in there. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, but kind of what I'm doing. Now it has light. Pretty bright. Just kind of rigged up shop lights. Can't really tell too much. I got them all set, so it's gonna be real bright. I'll show you the full brightness of it in a minute after I get the shelves in and the light on. That's the door. That's what everything looks like. Yeah, it's complete. It's gonna stay about 80 degrees with all the damn lights on. So I don't think I'll need any heat at night. It'll give them time to cool down. I think. I don't know, I'll experiment and try and see. But now it's all done. No more bitching about light. On a little side note, what's holding those light fixtures up is some self-tappers. As you can see there. 5/16 self-tappers. What I did was I drilled from the other side this way on one side of them so that way it would hold it up, and then I would drill from that side through and then come back on this side and drill it this back through both holes. That's oil or something. Oh well. So that's how I was able to do that, except for the ones that I did over here, because there's an air box there. So I just drilled it straight that way and it went into the air box. I don't think it penetrated because this is 1 inch thick. The base of, there's some of it against this that's 1 inch, so it went right into it, so it'd be fine. But I did the same thing with them two right there. I got a total of 4 screws in them, 4 in each light fixture, and it's a set of 4. One of them was a set of 2. Jamaica. Jamaica! Thank you. I made it a set of 4. I just took lights from the other one and put them together and used 2 ballasts and done. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Check out some of the other ones.